Good morning. So we are at another ride. So after some almost 2-3 weeks of not riding, we are on the Hassan highway. I'm riding with Giridhara and Shishir. The plan is to actually go towards somewhere near Kaginahare and plan to camp the night. Don't really know as of now where we will be camping. We just thought we'll go that side and then like inquire and then find a place to actually camp and come back tomorrow. So that's the plan. Let's see how it goes. There are a lot of trails around here. That house looks interesting, and there are 2 hills over there. Then you can see the road from there, that side, and then there is that hill. Even there is a road to the top. If not today, probably come next time and actually explore. There are a lot of places to explore here. തുയര പാർശ്വ തോന്നുന്നുണ്ട്. This will be very very slippery if it was raining. Okay, it looks crazy. This place is not even added on maps, and I think the Giridhara was after I told we are going to Kaginahare, he just actually opened the maps in satellite view and he simply like saved this location because it looked interesting, and we are here now. Oh, man, we didn't know it will actually go till the top. Let's go. Bye. Wow, shit. Oh my god. Yay! Avastha. Fuck. Shit. Enta place mare. Fuck. that's the from where we started and all the way up here. So beautiful off-road, amazing place. It's windy and it's not that hot as of now. So next plan is to go find food and then we'll that's it. Now we ride back. Whoa. So we had our food and we also took some parcel of puliogre for the night, and now we have to go and find if we can camp up or not. Last night camping was like really nice. It was cold, but it wasn't that cold. It was all misty and we had like a clear starry sky. Anyway, we packed up everything and clean. There is nothing we left behind. Everything is clean as we came in, and we shall go to have a breakfast now. Let's go. Okay, so the adventure ends. Like, we started this ride as just a chill and camping trip, but it seems to be like we did like a lot of off-roads and like a lot of new places which we never thought existed. We had our fun and now we will be actually riding back home. Before actually signing out, I want to make one small request. whoever actually visit this place after the seeing this video, or like however you get to know, and if you visit this place, please make sure you actually do not litter. And one of the place we went, we also seen people were going there and drinking. I'm not really against drinking, and if you are like at some camping place and if you want to drink, fine, but this was a place which was, they were drinking in the afternoon. Like there are families who are visiting that place, they will be very uncomfortable if a bunch of guys were like sitting there and drinking. Okay, and apart from that, okay, anyway, that's not the serious issue. One of the serious issue I want to discuss here is the littering. If you trash this place, whoever goes next, they'll have like a very bad time. Or you go there and if the place is already trashed, it's like you don't really enjoy that place. And we as a community, I don't know how much government make an effort to actually clean it, but as a citizen, we are responsible for keeping that place clean. And I sincerely request every one of you to go there, but don't trash whatever the trash you are taking, put it in a small bag or whatever. Then whenever you come places, when you go on this way, you'll always see a dustbin or something, so there where you can actually throw. And that's the only request I make. You don't have to subscribe, you don't have to like, you don't have to comment on this video. Just don't trash the places you go. Love you guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.